Ladies and gentlemen, the West Coast Estonian Festival has been held every 2 years since 1953. This procession will commemorate this beautiful transition. San Francisco, 1955, Los Angeles, 1957, Portland, 1959, San Francisco, 1961, Vancouver,
1963, Los Angeles, 1965, Portland, 1967, San Francisco, 1969, Vancouver, 1971, Los Angeles.
1973, Portland. 1975, San Francisco. 1977, Vancouver. 1979, Los Angeles. 1981, Seattle.
1983, San Francisco. 1985, Portland. 1987, Vancouver, 1989, Los Angeles, 1991, Seattle,
1993, San Francisco, 1995, Portland, 1997, Vancouver, 1999, Los Angeles, 2001, San Francisco,
2003, Portland, 2005, Vancouver, 2007, Los Angeles, 2009, Seattle.
And now, we have reached 2011 Portland. I hereby proclaim the opening of the 2011 Portland West Coast Estonian Festival. Thank you.